guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. So I was recently scrolling up my Instagram feed and thereby I got to know about something trending thing which is going over now and then. So it was a skirted denim which Priyanka Chopra have worn in her Quantico series, and I was so amazed to see her in that look. She was looking absolutely stunning, and there I thought, why not make a DIY on it, because I was searching online on various of online sites, and I got to know it is like very costly, and but I thought I can make a DIY on it. So yes, I am here with the DIY on how to convert old jeans into a skirted denim. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So you need to make use of two denim jeans. One is a ripped one, you can see, and the second one is a plain jeans, which is also shown in the screen. So the color should match or maybe similar. So I'm going to work on the plain jeans. So cut it off by halfway. So what you need to do is fold it off and then cut it using scissors. So once I cut, it looks something like this. Now cut along the outline which I'm showing you over the screen. So after cutting, it looks something like this. It is cut in a V shape. So yeah, this will act as a skirt over the skirted denim. So I'm going to quickly make a outline over the skirt or for the skirt. So you have to make sure the outlines are quite visible for you, that because it would help you to cut it off. So now make use of scissors and quickly cut along the outline. So this is how it would look once you cut it off. Now take a plucker. You can easily get it from any of the shop, nearby accessory shop, and then start pulling off the horizontal threads. So it will give a frayed effect because the vertical threads would come out of the denim and it would look amazing. So you need to continue this process till you reach or till you cover up the whole denim ends. So yeah, I know it's a quite time consuming process, but I know the results are bang on. So please patiently do it. And yes, we are about to reach the end. So this is how it would look at the end. This is quite satisfying. You can see the results are visible to you. This frayed effect is amazing. Next up, I'm going to take a skirt and then make an opening and then insert it over the ripped jeans and make few adjustments so that it could fit properly over it. And yeah, it looks something like this. You can also see the buttons. So what you need to do is stitch along the line which I am showing you over the screen. So yes, stitching you can do manually as well as over the sewing machine as well. I prefer doing it manually. It totally depends upon your choice, whichever you want to go. And yes, manually is fine, but if you have a sewing machine at home, then preferably go for it, as I didn't have, that's why I didn't did. And yeah, you have to do till the end, and this is how it looks overall. It is quite amazing, I know. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't hesitate to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on my social. So the details of my social is given right in the description box below. So go check out my social. I am on Instagram as well as on Facebook. So yes guys, very important note, if you are about to try this DIY, then don't forget to tag me on my social, or else you can DM me on my social. I would love to see the results. And yes, I am also going to feature you in my upcoming video if you do so. So yes, it's time to say goodbye to you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.